CME basically was forced to halt all trading today.
The outage at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange.
Silver is the canary in the coal mine. Days away from the first notice day of delivery for the March silver contract.
And cue the fire. This is actually comical. And it just keeps repeating. You know, you're trading silver, we've trading the futures, and then all of a sudden it's like, no, we're just, whoa, hey, we gotta halt this. Why? We got momentum. My team's gonna win. CME Group halts metals and natural gas trading on technical issues. What? It's getting a little hot in here? Wait until they have to provide the metals. You guys have a few minutes left on that, so the shenanigans will continue. Here it is from the Global Command Center. We got everything canceled. That's it. And everything canceled. Go home. Well, anything with today's date on it. Then Bloomberg's like, no, they went ahead. They've restarted it. Here it is. CME restarts metals, gas futures after glitch. Halts trading. Huh. I wonder what was going on there. Let me put it into football terminology, because most everyone who watches me is fairly fat. We all watch football. Now, if that is not you, congratulations. But picture this. Your team is on the 1 yard line, okay? There is 1 minute left. So you bring out your field goal team for 3 points. Easy win. 17-17. You got this. In trading, you're like, yeah, we got just one more. Then a referee with a sledgehammer, I'm not kidding, this is what happened, came out and just took your player's legs out. Now let's see how well you'll do. And if you want to know where it was, see that red line? It was like, yeah, we broke. Oh, wait. From a technical perspective, this should break lower. Unless you flip off the machine or you break the player's legs. We broke that, and it should have just moonshot. Lo and behold, flip machine off. You get your rising wedge, you get the breakdown, and it's perfect. So another way of looking at it, this is what happens every single day. You have a movement up, you have a consolidation, you have another movement up. It will help you again. You had a movement up, you had a consolidation, and then another movement up. Oh, I wonder what happened over that way. Let's take a look, Dave. Hey. Here's your consolidation, move up. So did you make a shat ton of money at morning open? Shall turn on 2 moving averages. Your entry was right there. And then market opened, and then your next entry was right there. If you want to know how much I made this morning, well, not that much because I was yapping my mouth. Oh, and by the way, did you see the consolidation zone right there? Yeah, it's between the 2 red lines. It happens after you break it, just like silver should have, but it didn't. And if you're wondering, well, where should I take profit after all that? Yeah, well, it kind of shows you. Maybe you look for a Shamu. Oh, hey. But that move was just very nice. Calculate that. It's 200 times 20. I can actually do in my head, but I did have to check it with a calculator. That would be $4,000. Then what's going to happen? You're going to have a consolidation, and then it's going to move higher. Watch. Consolidation. Wait, here we go. There it is. It's actually live right now. Where do you enter? Right there. Where do you take profit? That's fine. How much do you make on that one move? 220 times 100. I'm going to take a swing at this. No calculator needed. $2,000. But piggies get fed, hogs get slaughtered. Just take your look. It's purple. It's purple. And if you would like to learn how to do this, well, 99% of everything in my brain is right there. I've never taught morning open because it's a little more difficult. It's easier to swing up, swing down, swing up, swing down. What I used to teach in high school, college, and the kids are like, I'm not going to college now. I can make money every day. I give you 2 courses with this, a bear market, which I don't know when ever. You get my new AI course, which is going to take over the world. We will get to in just a second. I got some scary stuff for you, but $299, that's like the price of a textbook. And if you wanted to know why things are pumping, look right there. Nvidia earnings beat AI boom. There it goes. That was the push. Data center revenue up 75%. If you wanted to know gold, silver, why? It's because of the charts. And if you're like, well, I want to know what else can I try. You guys know I have watch lists. I do trade a lot. I usually trade morning open of the NASDAQ. My longer term plays right here. Oh, by the way, there's a price increase. $40 bull market watch list, options watch list. And then when I raise it to 50, you're like, wow, I'm glad I don't pay 50. And this even 40, like $1 a day, maybe $1.10. I don't know. Take my money or you give me the stocks to trade. And this is all deja vu. And what happened after this last time it happened? That's when CME halted. The last time CME halted trading, silver surged 127% over the next 60 days. Silver was 53, and now here we go, triple digits, like it just did at 121. Also, expect tomorrow to be a very good day in regards to silver, gold, your NASDAQ. Something that you need to know is once something is in motion, like I talk about the 200-day moving average, you get above it, we go up. You get below it, you trade down. This is a key principle. If you just get that, heck, I'd say 8 out of 10 of your trades are going to be good. When you start going against that, well, either you really know something or you better be very good. Like with silver, you're above the 200. That is momentum to the upside. And even though I draw support for you guys, some people are like, you said it's going to go down. I think it's important to know where the floor is. So floor 64. Before that, I said, you're going to come right here, this area. See, this is consolidation. When it was like, you're like, oh, where's it going to go? It's going to zero. No, it's here. And then where? I clone this for you. So I'll show you. Where's the other one? Remember right here. See, that's what you learned. It goes up, it consolidates, it goes up, it consolidates, it goes up. We come back down, consolidates. This is all bullish. Once in motion, stays in motion. Unless they flip the power off. Then sorry. Also, if you see this guy out on the field, be worried. And if you're currently COMEX, be worried. And look at this. Woo! Look at that. Silver above 105. Shanghai premiums at 16 bucks. But I'll take that 91, then sell it to my Chinese friends for 105. I'm not going to feel bad because China is going to own everything, you guys. When I watch them bring out robots, humanoid robots that can autonomously do just about anything, game's up. What China did in front of billions made America look like we're playing with Legos. Elon Musk just posted, and it's gone. That's in regards to Claude, hackers using Claude to steal just about all the government data from Mexico. Oh, and if you don't think that you're at risk, and your Bitcoin is at risk, and you thought supercomputers were bad, and then they're like, well, wait until we have quantum. Wait, breaking news, this just in. I'll get to that in a second because I got the Bitcoin thing up. Following the same thing that I just taught you through this whole video. Look, what is this? Oh, it's accumulation. It's a zone. Zone breaks, next zone breaks, next zone. Oh, but Bitcoin up today. That's great. Go ahead. Go into that bear flag. And remember, in motion with a direction. That's a beautiful 45 degree angle. But here was basically all of my Bitcoin feed today, right? Bitcoin feed, chickens. My Bitcoin friends look like this today, right? Like, yeah, we're up today. Also, I don't want to be the one, the bearer of bad news, guys. You have a sell wall that's going to come and take away your rally because intelligent people make money on the way down and on the way up. Bravo, you don't get it, man. You don't understand. There's 21 million and this is all manipulated and Jane is going to be in trouble. And Jane's been sued before on this. Yes, I know all of this. Yeah, but did you know at 10 a.m. slams, right? Yes, I'm aware of that. Well, what happened today? Oh, there's no slam. So that must mean it's ready to be manipulated. We could pull the rest of you guys in. You're like, well, I'm already down. Like, let's just go all in. I get it. You're broke. You're hurting. You're just like, YOLO, all in. Lottery ticket. I can't win this game, but you can. It's rigged in your favor if you understand charts. You understand leverage, you know risk, you cut your loss, you get out, you let your winners run, all of these things. I know the consumer is bad. Look at this. The American consumer is going broke. You guys are at 13% of all credit card debt is now 90 days past due. This is like 2008 all over again. This was 2000, 2004, 8. Look. We're more higher. So learn this. Don't get caught in it. It's not just you. It's the banks too. Everyone is in trouble, but yet everyone will tell you everything's great. But you can't go, you know what? I'm going all in to the downside. No. Yeah, you just said private credit, UBS, record cascading defaults, widespread contagion. Ooh, bad. Breaking news, cue the fire, trade it up. This is just news. It's just farts. It's nothing. Every day you wake up and go, okay, click, click, there. That's my money. And don't cry about the manipulation, because that's just gonna happen. Rich people protecting their wealth, stealing wealth. It comes from all angles. Like this one. This was crazy. Claude. Oh yeah, AI take over the world. Flying aircraft, all the Jetsons, with no one driving in it. You're just sitting in it. It drives you. This is what's currently happening right now in China. Hello? It's all, well, I'd never get in something with, yeah, okay. Sorry. This is just the wave of the future. It's going to drive better than you. In China, it is all over. They got these things. They got AI. They got robots. It's a coming. I know it always starts with, I would never, right? It always does. I'll tell you, when I saw this last week, this sent chills down my back. This guy's not even flinching, because they're all trained. They do everything. This is just, your everyday backflip landing perfectly. Oh yeah, it's where are we? We're nowhere. This is just insane. Yep, here's your barber shop. Yep, just fill that with everything. This is your labor. I don't know if you wanted to be a professional breakdancer. I think that's over. Like this is yeah, this is it. And there's no one controlling these, all except for AI, and it's going to take over your job. It's taken over everything. This was a year ago. Here, look at us spin napkins, right? In 12 months. Look what they have done. Swinging swords, and then they have like some big gigantic one. Unbelievable. But so yeah, there's your job, and now you're going to be, well, it's not going to happen. We're all in our own echo chambers. God, I just watch this constantly. Cannot believe it. But like everyone, I know this. I'm going to read your comments. Go ahead, leave it in the comments section and tell me how you'll never drive in a self-driving vehicle. You'll never put your credit card online. You'll never use one of those. You have a phone on the wall. Those won't be in my house, right? It's always that way. I remember when Steve Jobs introduced the first iPhone, and everyone's like, I knew this because I bought it. First day it came out. I'm like, oh, look, everyone. And everyone said, oh, it doesn't have keys. I'll never use that. It feels weird. It's glass. That's really stupid. There's no way this is going to change my life. Yes. There's no way this super robot warrior, no, I'm not going to have one of those in my house. No, they're not. Nope, they won't be doing my laundry and cutting my hair and cooking dinner and all that. It's not going to happen. So there we sit in our echo chamber of denial and say, nah, this isn't going to take over movies. I'm not going to lose my job. Guys, it's only going to get better. How you can make her better, I don't know. Just make sure you quickly get out of that echo chamber of denial. I don't know what your job is. I do have a solution. It's been the same solution for about 30 years. Trade equities, start a side hustle, a business, not affected by this. And oh, new plugin just wiped out. This was Anthropic. Goodbye, HR, design, engineering, operations. Financial analyst, didn't need that anyways. Banking, equity research, private equity, wealth management, attorneys, you name it. But thank goodness Hollywood will remain safe. And with that, I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.